everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie. For those of you who just joined in, I do makeup and personal style videos here on YouTube. If you reach the end of this video and you love the content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm in quite a rush, so this is going to be a very quick video. This is my 10-minute makeup for work. So first, we are going to apply my Humphreys Witch Hazel Toner. Guys, the moment I did this for my previous video, I have been using it nonstop. It has brought wonders to my skin. That's why I really love it. However, I do two toners. I don't know why. This gives the firmness, and then this brings back the moisture, plus the moisturizer. So work makeup, what can I really say about it? It has to be easy, it has to be long wearing, and it has to not move. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya pwedeng humulas, hindi siya pwedeng mawala ng mabilis. Within 8 hours, kailangan suot mo siya or kailangan minimal retouch lang. You will be doing other things. So, it's not just pangpaganda lang sa araw-araw, pero gusto mo lang na, presentable ka, maganda yung makeup mo for the day, hindi distracting. So, this is like my very easy makeup na pwede nating gawin sa trabaho. Sa mga nag-work sa office, sa mga nag-work sa stores na walang aircon, okay tong makeup na to. Next is concealer or foundation. It really depends on what you want to apply and which product will be long-lasting on you. For me, I am very sure of the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Kaya, I will be using this. So, a little tip, you're at work. So, you don't have the time to reapply makeup kasi ang dami mong gagawin sa work. So, the best that you can do is apply a very thin film of foundation that will be long-wearing and non-movable, which is this one. Ito, sure ako na hindi ito gagalaw. Hindi ito madaling huhulas. A very thin film of this is enough. For me, it is enough. And we will be able to put this to the test because I will be heading out. I will be under the sun later. Let's see how this will really fare. So I skipped the concealer kasi I really think that this is already enough coverage for me. But I think I need to apply a little bit more para lang madagdagan yung coverage. Right? I'm trying my best not to spill any foundation on my clothes. And again, I'm using my Fresh K Beauty brush. Spread out the foundation evenly. So next is eyebrows, and I will be using my Bobbi Brown eyebrow pencil. So just ever so lightly, I normally just shade this part. So for those of you new here, one of the things that I don't do anymore is pluck my eyebrows. Talagang literally, I just let it grow. I just let it. Kasi when I got pregnant, ito yung pinaka-unang nawala. As in, parang nalagas. And when I was younger, just like your other titas, we've overplucked our eyebrows so much that it got so thin. Next, I'm going to apply eyeshadow, and I'm pretty sure they've already applied foundation on my lid. So something very easy lang. So with the lightest shade first, let me just apply just to help in spreading the shade into my eyes. Hindi tayo masyadong papakahirap, guys. And then with this shade here, this is by the way the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, which is also one of my favorite eye palettes because of the quality. It is so good. Let's zoom in a little. I forgot. So, ganyan lang siya guys ha. Hindi ko na masyadong nilalagyan ng madaming dimension or whatever kasi nga very minimal lang yung makeup na gusto nating ilagay. Next is a little bit of no shimmer, no anything else, just that. And then I am going to apply my eyeliner just to add some depth to the eyes. With my angled brush, let me just go in and make sure that it's beautifully spread it out into the eye. Next is mascara. I'm using the Heroin Make mascara in rich brown. Yeah, that's it. And then lastly, just to cover up the inner. Next is powder, and of course, my trusty Fit Me pressed powder is the one we're gonna use for today. Also, the powder is gonna help in making sure that my blush will spread out really nicely. We are going to use something very easy. And this is the Milani Baked Blush. Kumbaga, ito na yung pinaka-shimmer mo. There. Now, if you want to add warmth, you can by just applying a little bit of bronzer. That's it, you're good to go. So just swirl it around like this. And then on the temples, your head. So just, malagyan lang ng warmth ng kaunti. Yung not overly contoured. And then lastly, lipstick. So I always suggest that at work or for makeup that you want to forget throughout the day, use cream lipsticks or lip oils because they tend to just absorb into the lips. This is the Revlon Super Lustrous Cream Lipsticks in Rum Raisin. So we're done. So this is the final look. 'Di ba ang dali lang, ang iksi lang natin ginawa tapos assured pa tayo na ang makeup ay hindi huhulas because we use the best of the best makeup that I have. So those are the tips. If you're going to work and you just want to look presentable, make sure to use makeup that will last you for 8 hours. Make sure to wear makeup that you can forget, na hindi siya huhulas right away, that you can just apply a little bit of powder kapag kailangan na or a little bit of lipstick pag kailangan na. Yeah, that's the whole point of doing this 10-minute makeup video. I will be able to test this out. So I will be out today and I will be under the sun for sure this afternoon. So I will be able to check in back to see how this makeup will perform. See you again later. So hello again. It is now 7:30 and I ended filming earlier this morning at 11. It's 8 hours. Saktong 8 hours and a half. So what can I say? Okay, first, things I didn't do today. I did not retouch at all. I allowed my skin to just soak it in. The heat, the wind, the cold of the aircon, the things that I did, which was talking to people, eating, napalaban talaga yung skin ko, and still looks flawless. One thing though that I forgot to match the neck to the skin. Don't forget that. That's crucial. That's important. It's gonna look very far. So I forgot to apply a foundation. Or can you suggest, like, if you know of what to do to the neck? Because I don't really want to apply foundation here because it messes up with the clothes pag pinawisan. So I don't want any here. So maybe just powder, right? I really forgot that. But let's just focus first on the makeup. The claims are true for the foundation, for the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, because this is really tried and tested and it's really non-moving makeup. Hindi ako humulas. Ang init today. In fact, what I like about it, look at the skin now. Wala masyadong mga nagbubuo-buo or walang naghihiwa-hiwalay na makeup. Talagang siya lang, alam niya kung ano yung ginagawa niya. The skin feels like it's absorbing it really well. So, yun yung mga good parts. Yun lang. Just don't forget to match the face with the neck. And then, of course, yung lipstick, kasi nga cream yung ginamit ko. Sigurado, nakailang retouch ako today. So, let's do it, okay? Let's retouch now. Para lang makita mo kung ano yung effect. Again, like how I've said it before, the Double Wear Foundation is a tried and tested product. We already know what it can do to your skin. You know what? The good thing about the powder that I applied, the Fit Me one, it is so flawless. Okay, and then let's apply. Oh yeah, another thing that I forgot to do today. I forgot to apply lip balm. So Don't forget that because you really need that for your lips. Whether it's cream or matte lipstick, just apply because it's your skin prep for the lips. And let's not forget to reapply blush, okay? It's just to bring back the health in your skin. And okay na ulit. So what are my final thoughts about this makeup look? One, test your makeup. Make sure it will last you 8 hours or so. Make sure to use non-movable, like really good foundation so that your base is intact and will not melt on you within the day. Two, retouch when needed, but if you forget about it, should be okay, especially if you use really good products. And third, reapply lipstick because it can be a bit distracting if your lips are already cracked from the matte lipstick you've used, or if you use cream lipstick, sometimes it has a tendency to just leave you a line. So just make sure to reapply your lipstick. Also, maybe what you can do heavily or do a lot are luminous or baked blushes because they don't really pop in your skin like show of color. They just give you a hint of a beautiful blush. And I think you need that all throughout the day. Like me today, yun ang isa sa mga parang nawala. So just make sure to reapply that so that it brings back the health and warmth of your face. And so that is it for today's video. I sure hope you learned a whole lot about this 10-minute work makeup tutorial. I am so glad that you are still here and staying with me and watching my videos and enjoying the content. And I really hope that I will see you again on the next video. Have a great day, guys. Goodbye.